If you would like to see how I was able to achieve this hair color in just 4 easy steps, then keep watching. So I'm really curious to find out if this box kit of hair dye will be able to dye my weave. So this is the brand. So the first thing that I'm going to do when I go through is that I'm going to just focus on varying the brush strokes in terms of the hair dye. So what I mean by that is that I'm going to start off, I'm going to just do a pattern of high, low, so I don't get that line of demarcation. And then using my comb, then I'll take random little bits and pieces and I'll hit those with a little bit extra dye so that those areas are a little bit lighter. So as you can see, there's areas where I kind of went higher, and then there's areas where I went lower, or even there's some areas where there's more hair dye than other areas. I did that purposely because I wanted to try to give it as much as a natural look as possible. So I'm going to go ahead and flip this over to the back and do the same thing, and I'll show you what the back looks like. So this is what the other side looks like. I can tell you since the time that I started applying it on this side, the opposite side has already started to take, meaning the color is already starting to lighten. So now I'm just going to go through and just pick random bits and kind of concentrate some of the dye itself more on those areas. So as you can see, some of the hair dye is very close to the root of the hair. That doesn't bother me because it will be covered with another bundle as well as a hair closure. So just a close-up of the hair itself. So you can see there's some lighter parts and then there's some darker parts, but I wanted it to vary in color.